Former SYIEM and leader of the opposition at the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council, PYNSHNGAIN and SYIEM, had shared his views with the media on the issue of eviction of illegal settlers from MAWLONG. Speaking on the government's decision to relocate settlers of Metor to quarters allotted for them in a different location, PYNSHNGAIN and SYIEM informed that an agreement between the SYIEM of Hima Mylliem and the then British government had been signed to house only staff of the municipal board. However, the settlers have turned it into a commercial area, which is a violation of one of the clauses in the agreement.
Indigenous people apakah affect na society ngimban sing hapan remove. Dia ngasno ba outsider they have no right ban tuklar dia interest dunia ni. Marang ni kamdei bangi isi yenu ino. Handai kadin na convenience juga state bolong.
PYNSHNGAIN and SYIEM added that as residents have from time to time approached the SYIEM of Hima Mylliem for land documents, this clearly is evident of the particular land belonging to Hima Mylliem. However, the former SYIEM of the KHASI is surprised at the government's lackadaisical attitude on the eviction of settlers despite having enough proof to support its decision.
But during that time with the British government, only for official na kabentaban pensyong yaki batray hapo municipal. Menta kala convert sa commercial area. Dekal kum ka agreement kalau ba kamdi ban kala commercial area. Kabung menang taro bila rem lupa. Bagate ke jaka menta kala long commercial area, kala violate ia ka way na kikendon hapo ka agreement. Layo daw ban remove no yaki.